guys, yeah, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is a different thing altogether because I'm vlogging today instead of making videos as usual. Vlogging. Okay, today I'll be going for a meeting. Actually, a group I created on Facebook. We have our first physical meeting today at Kubwa. Yeah, I'm vlogging from the city of Abuja, so I'll be going to Kubwa today for the meeting, and it's going to be fun. So I want to update you guys on the happenings of this meeting. I'm here with my family, my whole family, my husband, my kids. Yeah. Okay, guys, so I don't know. Today we'll decide if I will vlog or not, depending on how you guys turn up. So I'll be updating you on information. Actually, I started by makeup at home. I'm going to finish up the makeup, then from there I will take off. Alright, I'll be updating you on the happenings when I get to the meeting. Okay, yeah, see you. Okay guys, yeah, I'm right in my shop right now. I'm walking to my shop to go and do one or two things. Yeah, like I told you, I'm going to be finishing up my makeup, then I will take off to the place where we're having our meeting. Alright, like I told you before, I'll be updating you on the happenings as we go. Okay, let me just go inside and finish up my look, yeah, then I will talk to you guys later. Alright, yeah. Hi guys, there is a situation right now. I just left my key at home, so I've sent my girl to go and get the key for me, so I have to wait. Though I don't have time to wait, but I have to wait. I don't have any choice than to wait for her to go and come back. Okay, so I'm so sorry for delaying you. I wanted to update you on my makeup, my final look before I go home. Time I have to wait. Right. As you can see right now, I'm just outside my neighbor's shop, in front of my neighbor's shop. I want to finish up my makeup there while I wait for her because there is no time. The meeting was fixed for 12 o'clock, so I'm just trying to meet up with the meeting. So I have to do the makeup outside here, finish it. It's just a little touch. I don't want anything more, so I'm just doing a little touch. So I'm finishing up my makeup outside here, then when she comes I'll do other things I'm supposed to do inside the shop, then we will take off. Alright, let me show you my friend. She's here, and to see how inconvenience is for us to stay outside and do makeup, she's trying to touch her face too before we leave. So I'll be showing you where she's doing it right now. Yeah, this is my friend John. Actually, we are going to the meeting together, but for the fact that my shop is locked, we left the key at home, so we're outside trying to make up before we take off for the meeting. Alright, Joy, say hi to them now. Hello. Oh. Okay guys, yeah, right now I'm in a bus going to Kuba. Like I told you, now we are having a meeting in Kuba today. Actually, Kuba, they are hosting us today, so we are attending the meeting. I'm right now in a bus, though this place is dark, but we have to manage it like that. Alright, yeah. So as I'll be updating you as we are going. Right.
So,
Amen. In Jesus' mighty name.